Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by installing and granting permissions so the app can access your camera, mic, and storage. This lets you record and save without interruptions. Once installed, sign in with a Sony account or create one. Verify your email to unlock full features and templates. Make sure to enable auto backup and cloud sync right away. That prevents lost work and keeps presets consistent across devices, which speeds up future projects. You'll create a new project and pick the aspect ratio that fits your platform, then name it for easy retrieval. Next, import footage or record directly in-app. Use the timeline to trim, split, and reorder clips. This is where your story takes shape. Once assembled, layer transitions, titles, and color presets. Adjust audio levels and apply noise reduction so dialogue stays clear. Keep saving as you go. Templates and undo let you experiment without losing progress. When you're ready, export using the appropriate resolution, bitrate, and codec for your destination. Select a device or social preset to ensure correct formatting. Before publishing, add captions, pick a thumbnail, and schedule or share directly from the app to save steps. If export fails, don't panic. Check available storage, clear the app cache, and install any updates. If that doesn't work, lower the bitrate or export at a smaller resolution and retry. This usually resolves common errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.